Hey, what's happening, sneakerheads? How you doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go to smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in this video, we got that what?
Weekly
That
heat.
weekly heat, baby. That weekly heat.
Weekly heat.
So these are the hottest shoes that are coming out from April 20th through the April 26th. I'm gonna go ahead and start off. So start off hot and heavy. We do have a collaboration. This is the Air Jordan 3 Low. This collaboration is with Nigel. He did release a colorful colorway, and now he's releasing this black and white pair. So these will be coming out at a price point of 150. Predominantly, the shoe is all black, and we do see that white swoosh on the side. Do see that white midsole, and at the bottom of the shoe, we do see that black outsole with those gray hits with Nike in the middle. Now moving on to the toe of the shoe, and this is probably the my favorite part of the shoe is there's like some jewelry on there that says Nike, and I like it because it's all blinged out. Not sure if you can take that off and wear it as a chain, but I like it. Looks pretty hot to me. Looking around to the back, we do see that chrome plated out Nike logo in the back. I do think that's a nice touch to even it out. We do have the chrome hits on the front with that iced out charm. Overall, looking at the shoe, it's a really clean shoe in my opinion. Unfortunately, this is the springtime. I'm not sure why they're dropping this at this time, but I can see these doing very well in the fall or the wintertime. I'll be rocking these because they look very clean. What do you think about these, my brother?
You know what? I like the accessories they add in with the shoe. I like that. I really do. It really brings a different flair to the shoe. So I applaud Brand for that. And the collab, I do applaud them for that. And I will be rocking those. I will be rocking those because it's just a different shoe and y'all just loving the accessories. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those.
Yes, sir. What do you got next, my brother?
Hey, so on April the 26th, we do have that Air Jordan 1 Low OG Phantom. Price point for those are going for 140. I'm really liking this shoe, how they incorporated that coconut milk. I'm liking how they incorporated the black. It look like they enlarged the Nike logo, the swoosh. It look like they oversized it, right?
Yes,
So I'm
sir.
really liking what they're doing with the shoe. I like how they did with the two-tone of the outsole. It's a clean shoe. Price point is where it need to be. I will be rocking those. I will be rocking those. What about you, my brother?
I'm gonna be dropping these. Unfortunately, this is too busy of a shoe. It doesn't look clean to me because that sell midsole and then there's no other sale, but I will be dropping these. But let me know down in the comments, sneakerheads, are you rocking these or dropping these? So moving on to the last shoe of the week. This is actually a PE. This is the Air Jordan 11 Low. If all of y'all may disagree or agree with me, but comment down in the comments down below. If you don't know, this is the second time this shoe has been released, but if you pay attention closely to the sock liner, this sock liner is all black, which Michael Jordan did wear another PE with the red sock liner, but this will be the first one with the PE with the black sock liner in it. And I'm kind of on the fence about copping these myself, but let me know down your thoughts and opinions about these sneakerheads. So again, this is coming out in men's sizing for $190. Little kids will be $80, and toddlers and infants will be $60. So overall, this shoe is completely blacked out. We do see that patent leather in black, which we do love that black patent leather. Now, it does have that black mesh at the top with them black laces. Just a classic shoe that we've seen before. Of course, we would love these even more if these were the high top versions, but I'm not mad at these. Looking at the bottom of the sole, we do see that red outsole. Moving around to the back, we do see that little jump man that we're accustomed seeing with all the Jordan 11 lows, which do look kind of funny, but I'm not mad at that. But overall, this is just a clean shoe. The Jordan 11 bread, as they call it. I will be rocking these because Michael Jordan actually wore these on the court. What do you think about these, my brother?
You know what? I'm really liking them, especially like what you just said, Mike. Michael Jordan actually wore these shoes, right? So I will be rocking those. I will be rocking those because just a nice clean shoe. Hey, Drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those.
Yes, sir.
And if you love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others.
peace.
Peace.